Oh, now she'll feel jealous.
I'd like a parent to say that to me.
Oh. Oh, wow. Ooh.
Chocolate husband.
Oh, she's going to lick him.
Hey guys, it's Loud Guys. Today we are going to watch Apu's Valentine's Day.
Oh, wow.
So Apu is celebrating Valentine's Day. I think so this would have been told to him by the Americans only because what I don't think so he gets time from work. What we saw in the last video, how in the dinner time, he was working so hard, 16 hours a day. So let's see what he does in this
Video.
Morning, Apu. Still in hot water with the squaw?
Worse than ever, I am afraid. My shameful neglect has made her feel unloved.
Oh.
Now I fear she will leave me.
It'd be like going to an air show and leaving before the plane crash.
Oh, you are right. There's still 7 days before Valentine's.
February.
7 chances to prove my love for sweet Manjula.
Oh. I think he remembered some food.
Yeah.
Oh.
Who could be so romantic?
Oh.
I can't believe it. He covered your whole bed with wildflowers.
I'm sure Homer has
Pickle slices in the sheets.
Pickle slices.
6 more surprises coming. I feel like the luckiest woman in spring.
They have given the worst eyeshadow color, to Manjula.
The man they call Apu.
Green.
Oh yeah.
Oh, wow.
He has trained a bird to sing to me.
Oh, now she'll feel jealous.
I'd like a parent to say that to me.
Oh. Oh, wow.
Wow.
Chocolate husband.
I can't breathe.
Chocolate Apu.
Oh, wow.
The sweetest feeling of all.
Oh.
Oh. He's so
God,
cute.
my ears are filled with nougat.
All eyes are on the local Romeo, whose 7-day giftathon has been delighting his wife and entrubulating the rest of us, including Maud Flanders.
Oh.
Everybody's marriage is falling apart except ours.
Oh no. I love Manjula.
Message. And please don't skimp on the...
That tank's just Peace Corps surplus. Not so fast, Apu.
Homer!
Oh.
What a delightful coincidence.
We're putting an end to your insane Valentine's rampage. Oh, no, you don't!
Skywriting. Oh, so she will write. I love Manjula. Wow.
Oh, he's so romantic, huh?
But now everybody hates him.
Hey, you with the scarf, stop skywriting! I have to deliver a message. You won't stop, then I'll stop you!
Oh no!
What are you doing? Don't do that!
I love you.
Wasn't that sweet?
I'd like a love note in the sky.
Oh. Is he writing Manjula?
You're going, you crazy fool! You kill us all! Correction, kill us both!
Oh. Oh no! Oh.
I love you.
I love you. Star.
It's an angel. Oh, that's Nettie's pet name for me.
Oh.
Clancy.
Everybody's making their own.
Yeah.
I love you. And Nikki, it's a little run together, but that's what it says.
Cactus? Blobby? Upsilon? Oh, who am I kidding? Homer would never surprise me like that.
Doggone it, you ruined my message! Yeah, you crazy old mother!
Oh no!
You're making me mad!
They're fighting.
My humble love note is turning into a Valentine's Day massacre. You say you've got problems. Well, not really. I hate to sound like a screaming fan, but... That maniac nearly killed us. Shall I take you to the pilot? Huh? You see, because that is your song. I heard. Oh, well, the bitch is back.
His songs. I.
Turn it, why won't you die?
Thorn Valley Roses.
Oh, wow.
Oh wow! It is romantic from him. Ooh!
Wow.
Roses.
You fall from the sky with roses.
Wow.
Oh, homie. Oh, they're beautiful.
Okay.
Oh, closer
Valentine's
Valentine's.
Day.
Wow.
But then again, no. Then
So
I
romantic, huh?
Actually,
travel and shoot.
so much efforts.
You closed the Quickie Mart just for me.
Well, you and the health inspector.
Oh,
Thank you.
It should get you pretty darn hammered.
Thank you. Come again. What a Valentine celebration. And I think so it is every girl's dream, that kind of celebration.
But you know what? I have to create all these things for my man. That's what I think. On Valentine's Day, because boys also deserve some happiness, you know?
Actually, but like most of the women were waiting, like they will do it. And there was a problem in the whole Springfield area because of Apu. Because Apu was like, I have to get her back and I have to make sure that I do all of this. Like after seeing all these episodes, I feel like why would you like feel against that Apu is not the proper version of
Yeah.
Indian? Because this is so nice way they are shown like how Indians are like towards their work and how they are towards the way their wife is. Everything is so beautiful.
Everything is so beautiful, and Apu is such a innocent and cute character, I would say, because the way he treats his wife, and also his wife is also so good. Like she might complain about that you are not giving sufficient time to me, but in the end she just appreciates him whatever he is doing, and he just closed the shop. I mean, for Indian, girls are like waiting for their guys to come home and spend time, and Apu has done, and that is a big thing. You might think that he has just closed the store for like one day, but it is a big thing for us.
Actually, so I think so they should bring back Apu. So what do you guys think? Do let us know in the comment section below. So do like, share and
Subscribe.
bye.